Now let's move on to the next question. So we have to show the left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So let's begin with the left hand side. So at first we have 1 minus tan square x over 1 plus tan square x. This have to give you 1 minus 2 sine x. Now we know something that is given to you as well. If you have, so the ID that we have are sine square x plus cos square x equal to 1. However, it can be simplified or changed into another version. But again, this is given to you, right? For example, when we have sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. Now what happens if you divide everything by, let's say, because here we have divide by cos square x. You will also have tan square x plus 1 equal to sec square x. Okay, so that is one of the IDs we can use here, because here we have this and here we have this. So we can replace and see what happens. So on top it is just 1 minus tan square x for now. At the bottom we can replace this by this. That will be sec square x. Now we know sec square x. So what is sec x? Sec square x is 1 over cos square x. So let's replace 1 minus. So let me replace this as well. This is actually sine square x over cos square x over the value of 1 over cos square x. Let me first simplify the top because it could be confusing in the long run. So what can I do here? I can make them become the same base. So you will have cos square x minus sin square x over cos square x divided by 1 over cos square x. Now step by step we can simplify this pretty easy. On top you will have cos square x minus sin square x, and here we have cos square x. Now when you divide by something, we can change divide to multiply, and then we just have to flip this upside down. You will have cos square x over 1. I'm sure you guys learned this in O level, right? For example, if you have, we have, let's say, a over b divided by c over d. Now what we do usually is we leave the first one by itself, which is a over b, change divide to multiply, and flip this upside down. That will be this. So same thing applies here. We have a over b divided by c over d equal to same thing at first, right? And then change this to multiply and flip this upside down. Now as you can see, this and this will obviously cancel out. So you will have cos square x minus sine square x. But your answer here is only contains sine square x. So we can change. We can change cos square x to what? That will be, if you look at this, cos square x equal to 1 minus sine square x. So replace, you will have cos square x. So let me replace first. That will be 1 minus sine square x minus sine square x. Now simplify, you would simply have 1 minus, so minus become minus 2 sine square x. Okay, and this is shown as required.